7 of the best places to learn new digital marketing skills for free. There are many ways to learn digital marketing skills. You can read articles and books, watch videos on YouTube or other training sites, and ask questions on forums like Quora. But there's one source of education you may not have considered: Google itself. Yes, it's true, Google offers a number of digital marketing courses through its partners that anyone can take for free. In this video we'll explore 7 of the best Google-powered digital marketing training programs out there today. Google Digital Garage. Google Digital Garage is a free training program that helps you learn digital marketing skills. It's open to anyone, but it's designed for nonprofits and startups. The program is run by a team of Google experts and industry leaders from across the world. The Google Digital Garage is delivered in a series of workshops over approximately 6 weeks, with each session lasting between 1 to 2 hours. The program consists of 6 modules. Google Skillshop. Google Skillshop is a free online learning platform that helps you develop the digital marketing and tech skills you need to advance your career. With self-paced courses, Google Skillshop gives you the flexibility to learn on your own time and at your own pace, so it's a good option for busy professionals looking for an affordable way to stay up to date with new digital marketing trends. Google Analytics Academy. Google Analytics Academy is a free online learning platform that teaches you how to use Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager and Google Data Studio. There are courses on Introduction to Digital Analytics, Advanced Google Analytics Reporting Analysis and Google Tag Manager Fundamentals and Implementation. HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy is a great place to learn about all things HubSpot. The platform covers everything from SEO and social media marketing, to content and email marketing. The best part? It's free. You can also find even more free resources at HubSpot Academy by reading their blog post on how they built their own platform, which is another great piece of information. SEMrush Academy. SEMrush Academy is a free online course that teaches you the basics of search engine marketing. The course is divided into 3 modules: Module 1, Introduction to Search Engine Marketing, Module 2, Search Engine Marketing Tools and Analytics and Module 3, Search Engine Marketing Strategy. In each module, you'll learn about different aspects of SEO such as how it works and how to use analytics tools like Google Analytics. WordStream's PPC University. WordStream PPC University is a free tool that you can learn from, but it's also paid. If you're looking for a comprehensive course on paid search and don't have time to go through their entire curriculum, try one of their beginner courses, Introduction to Paid Search, Getting Started with Keyword Research and Advanced Keyword Research. Facebook Blueprint. Facebook Blueprint is a free course that teaches you all about Facebook ads, marketing, and how to use the platform for your business. You'll learn how to create, manage and measure campaigns across different types of businesses, from small ones all the way up to nonprofits. You can take this class on your own time, or even enroll in the live version if you want more personal feedback as you go along. This costs extra. With over 11 hours of video lessons available at any one time, there are plenty of opportunities to learn what you need at your own pace, whether it's during lunch break at work or right before bedtime at night. There's a wealth of opportunities to gain new skills for free. There are many resources available online to help you learn digital marketing and even get your name out there in the industry. If you want to make your mark in digital marketing, these are 7 great places to start. Hopefully, this list has given you some ideas for how to learn new digital marketing skills. If you're looking to advance your career in the exciting and rapidly changing digital marketing field, these resources are a great place to start.
Subscribe to our channel, comment and press the bell button to stay notified about our new videos.